while there are some benefits to the future of work, like the ability to work from home, the flip side is that if you can do the work remotely, others can too, and from parts of the world where wages are much lower. So now, freelance knowledge workers will be forced to compete for gigs against their peers across multiple time zones. Everyone will have to become an entrepreneur of their quantified self, curating a digital brand to sell over and over and over in a globalized marketplace.
Welcome to Pure Element 5. My name's Suzanne, and today's epiphany came from realizing that AI, machine learning, and data science are being woven into our school operations to predictively profile and even threat score our children.
In the repressive world of managerial consulting, everything revolves around creating efficiencies in globalized supply chains, like Fordism, but without living wage salaries, breaking down tasks into smaller and smaller chunks that people must knit together to attempt to meet their basic needs. They call it microwork.
By the end of this video, you'll learn about microworking for peanuts. Labor broken down into an infinite number of skills to be screened by algorithms and assigned individual tasks.
We must understand the future of work, so keenly discussed at Davos, revolves around the so-called knowledge economy, stuff people get paid to do, mostly online. People mashed up with digital technologies, labor conditions where human, computer, robot, artificial intelligence interactions in mixed augmented and virtual reality environments will become increasingly commonplace. Labor broken down into an infinite menu of skills, both cognitive and social-emotional behavioral, that are represented as badges or codes that can be screened at lightning speed by algorithms assigning microwork. Income sharing agreements are central to the elite's plan to finance and profit from the reskilling of locked-down displaced workers. Into Fourth Industrial Revolution gig work, the future of work will no longer require degrees for most people. That legacy system is in the process of being replaced by a perpetual race to attain the next micro-credential. Upgraded credentials and more debt will be required to stay qualified to compete as a TaskRabbit on the globalists' micro-work clearinghouse platform. Players in the game will be expected to self-finance not only their training, but also their social services. At the beginning of the game, players seek arrangements with an investor or group of investors who contract with them to receive return payment based on future garnished wages. This contracting arrangement is logged on blockchain and monitored as the game progresses. Once logged, that debt can be securitized, packaged, and made available for trading on global markets for hedge funds to bet on. And that, folks, is where the real money is made. If you thought this was pure engagement, please give us a thumbs up. And if you thought it was pure poo, feel free to give us a thumbs down. It helps us create the content you want to see. The links are down below if you want to catch us on other mediums, along with a link to our website so you can download our free ebook. Until we meet again, the essence of who you truly are is pure love. Go out and connect with someone and show them the love.